Hey everyone, welcome back. This is John from Friends with Your Benefits. Look, we've all been there. We have a medical issue going on. We want to make an appointment with our local doctor. We call up our doctor. We go through multiple prompts. We're put on hold many times. And when we finally talk to the receptionist, we're told, okay, great news. We have an appointment for you in 3 to 4 weeks. 3 to 4 weeks? That seems like a lifetime. There's got to be a better way. What if I told you there was a better way, and there was a way that was free to you that could flip the system entirely on its head? There's an app out there called ZocDoc. It's a free app, and this allows you to essentially access the doctor's calendar and gives you the power to book your appointment, sometimes with just 1 day notice. We're going to do a deep dive on this app and show how potentially it may benefit you. Stay tuned. So let's go into the app. The app is called ZocDoc. Click the app, walk into it, and ultimately it asks us to type in the condition, procedure, or doctor we're looking to find. So I want to take a look for a particular type of doctor. I am going to be looking for a dermatologist. So popular specialties dermatologist. Let's click that. I click it, and what am I looking for? I'm really looking for an annual skin screening to make sure that everything is good for my skin. I'm going to click it, and it says, when do I want the appointment? So before I click Find Care, it does give you the option to put in your insurance carrier and plan. And really, it recommends scanning your insurance card. So let's do this now together and see what happens. So it's going to scan my card, accepts it. I'm going to look. Tomorrow I have stuff going on, but let's take a look next Monday to see what's available. We click Find Care, and there's a bunch of options by me. So let's go with the ones that aren't necessarily sponsored. So there's a whole bunch that are coming up. So we see there's this one that has a really, really good star rating. Click on this particular doctor, and we see she has an opening next Monday at 1 p.m. So we click this, and then we're not going to go through this, but ultimately this just gives us the information we need to book the appointment, which is awesome. And if we were to click continue in real time, we would ultimately seamlessly have our appointment booked. We try again for something else. Let's say I'm looking for an optometrist. Click that. Eyeglasses. Boom. Find Care. I'll choose my insurance later. I can do that as well. And look at this. We have some sponsored options that are coming up right away. Always look at them. But lo and behold, Monday of next week, there's an optometrist that's fairly close to me with pretty good ratings. And it looks like availability throughout the day. So now that we've gone through the app, we'd love to hear from you on your experience using ZocDoc. Feel free to comment below. As always, we encourage you to like the video, subscribe, hit the bell, and until next time, thanks for joining.